Hello, papas. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we have one Lenovo model, Lenovo Ideapad S145. So, the customer have this problem. The problem is with the keyboard that some buttons, if I press it, it's stuck. Maybe some liquid damage here in the keyboard. So we will clean the keyboard, but first we will clean the fan, and we will change the thermal paste, and then we'll clean the keyboard. So let's start. It's an easy laptop of opening. They have different screws, height of screws. Now screw here. So let's see. Let me set something. And where I put this? It's more easy. No. No. Oh. So opening is easy. Okay, a very good laptop here, simple. Oh, look at this. Look. Okay, let's take out the battery. No need metal objects here. Okay, battery is out, so we can work now. Maybe this is RAM. It have onboard RAM. Look, this is RAM, and have this is SSD, I think. Yes, one Western Digital NVMe SSD, but not the 80. You can with one screw you can change this, and this is the backup drive. So we have some dust here, Yes, it's easy. Okay. Nice. Nice and clean. It's not so wet here. It's a little, but not so. So now you can clean this with batonette. Okay. Okay. One more. Let's put some alcohol. AMD chip, AMD processor. Okay, so we are fine. We are fine. Now let's clean this. Now, so let's put some thermal paste. I use MX5. Very good. It's not a cheap one, but you can use it at many laptops here in our service. We need to have entire this chip, the thermal paste. This is more good, but more good. But some people they drop one in the center, and they drop one in the center. But you know, if you put it, it's no is entire in the chip, on the chip entire. Maybe you, if you drop one here, they go here. not on the corners. So this is the best. Let's clean this. And we are fine. Okay. A little here, a little here, a little here, a full of here, and now full of others. Not too much pressure when it's okay, like this. So we are fine. I do not plug the battery back because I want to clean the keyboard. So let's move to the keyboard. Let's move to the keyboard. Okay, now some sound, let's check if we can to open let's open this. You look, I with my nails like this, I press here and clack. Some sound with stuck also here. Oh, you see, stuck down. No, this wants cleaning, but it's not too easy. I think it's not too easy. I think this is difficult. It have a silver, not plastic, silver, and maybe I can't put it back. So also enter and shift, it's the same, I think. Yes, it's same. You can open it. You can open. So let's do without take out these buttons. This is easy. This is easy. But this, it's not. I don't want to damage one key because we have a risk here. If we damage the plastic, maybe we will pay all the keyboard. And this is rare here, so maybe in China, and they have also Greek characters here. In China you can't have the Greek characters, so I will drop here some alcohol. Okay, and I will ASAP. I will do like this. Like this. Let's see. think it's fine, but also some dust here. Let's put some alcohol in the zero. And here. Maybe a little gray here, but it's okay. We don't change the color of the keyboard. Let's put this back. Put this back, because it's dangerous if you broke something. It's nice. It's okay. Okay. Nice. Excuse me. Let's put some more. Because I don't want to put here the screen. So we're okay. Let's put some more oil here. Here. Okay. Okay, a little more. Because here is the with the liquid damage that stacks. Okay, stacks. And one more. Put some air to going down of the button, okay, to clean it. I think. Like a massage, you know, you do massage on the keyboard. Oh. Some sound like click. Maybe needs more, but I will use now. Let's wait the alcohol behind the buttons, you know, to clean it. Okay, we wait. So now no alcohol inside the buttons. I will use one contact cleaner. One contact cleaner. I use it for electric guitars. So let's see here with contact cleaner, like this. Okay. Like a massage, as I say. Okay. Let's clean a little this laptop. But you know, with this, we can clean with this. Let's put some cleaner. Cleaner. Also need here. Oh my god, this laptop. Oh my god. It gets evaporated quickly, so we are fine. We have scratches here. Have scratches. Maybe if you close some the keyboards touch the screen. I think we're fine. All press, no one stuck here. And the customer sent us to us with mostly the enter and the shift, and then unlock here. Mostly this is okay. Oh, this okay from here. Maybe some drop one coffee or some, you know, cola. We are fine. Let's check it. But before, let's put some air. You see, we have we have liquid, we have our cleaner. I will not open. I will wait about 10 minutes and then I will test it. Okay. Put some air. I don't want to wait. It's okay, the temperature is okay. Okay. Okay, let's put the battery back. Okay, the battery is back. Let's clean this a little. Just this here for now, for the opening. Okay, let's test it. No battery. Okay, maybe have no battery, so I will put the charger. And boom, boom. Okay, opens. It's pin, so it's only numbers, not here, but we can't test anymore. We can call the customer to come here and we test both the customer and I. We can test them because I don't know the pin here, and that's why. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, like it or put the bell on or subscribe as you wish. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.